guys, it's me Iman. Welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a day in my life weekend edition by like doing productive stuff, such as in like I'll show you guys later on my to-do list. But I've been procrastinating so much today. Time right now is like 5:04 p.m. not a.m. p.m. I haven't done nothing at all today. I woke up at 1 because I pulled an all-nighter yesterday, and so I'm not fresh, first off, and secondly that just ruined my whole day, kind of, but not really, because today we're going to be doing a lot of stuff, which I mean, we don't have a lot of time. We have like 5 hours left or something to get it done, to be honest. I have so many things to do. Like, today's a Saturday, and so I want most of my stuff to be done today and tomorrow, which is a Sunday. Energy right now is just not with me at the moment, and so yeah, that's what's going on right now. And my room's a mess. Like, my room is extremely a mess. Like, I studied yesterday, and like clothes are kind of over there, drawers need to be organized, the floor is kind of messy. I need to take out the trash. So, and I need to organize a nail polish rack, because I be looking at that at night and I'm just like, ew, like, you have to organize it, Iman, but like I never do it. So like, today's the day and tomorrow's the day to get my together, to be honest, and as well as pampering myself, because your girl needs to get her eyebrows done. I don't know if you could probably tell, but like they're kind of yeah. Okay, let's just make this to-do list, because yesterday I couldn't go to sleep, and so I made like TikTok. Like, I was writing down like ideas for a TikTok. If you guys don't follow me on my TikTok, you guys totally should, because I've been uploading consistently on there more frequently. If you guys do want to see my content, it's just at HeyyEmann as well. I'm like recently trying out like Starbucks drinks, secret menu type of Starbucks drinks, and like different other type of drinks, like the Charlie drink. I want to do like more first impressions on like boba drinks, because I really love boba. So if you guys do want to see those types of videos, you guys should totally follow me on TikTok, and just, you know, just to see me if you guys are interested in me. But yeah, let me just clean my table. Oh yeah, I wanted to show you guys this. I got this earlier. I wanted to do a vlog. I wanted to include it in a vlog, but I got 2 Apple pencils cases for my Apple Pencil. So I got this one and this one because I didn't know which one to get. Again, I just needed one, but a girl really cannot decide, to be honest. So I'm just going to be opening the pineapple one. Got it. So it looks like this. Very cute, very cute. So then, does it stick? Ooh, fancy. But then, so I'm gonna save this for later. But I also got this like matte screen protector, so that whenever I like write on here, it does, like whenever I write on there, I feel like I'm like pressing too hard. Let me just organize my table, because this is not it. Part of my room is kind of embarrassing, because I just have too much clutter on this side instead of like this side. So that's why, like in my YouTube videos, I don't really show you guys this part of my room, because it's just like, but I'm just gonna be going over my nail polish and like decluttering that. Okay guys, so I'm done with the nail polish rack. Yeah, I like how it looks like. I took out a few nail polishes that I didn't want it, because most of these polishes are like new, I guess. I thought that I did have some from middle school, but Fatima, she also does nails. She kind of decluttered it as well. But I mean, hey, they look pretty good. Then over there it's just a mess. Fatima, she's just So she's cleaning out her drawer, and so she put all her clothes on my bed. Yeah. Meanwhile, so when she was doing that stuff, I made a to-do list. Yeah, I like how I did. This is like the first time ever using this notebook. Yeah, so my to-do list on here. So since today is the, just don't mind the group chat, the 12th, I did clean my room. I have to do my nails. I don't know, I just want to have a different nail color. And then I have to make a YouTube video for Wednesday. And then I have to study for my exam, which is on Tuesday. Update my planner because tomorrow is Sunday, and so I have to start fresh. And then place my Amazon order. I have to get 2 things tomorrow for my desk. And then I want to apply my screen protector of my iPad tomorrow, not necessarily today. The to-do list is kind of motivating me to do this stuff. Whoa. The frick? How long you broke?
I cribbed.
Cribbed. But yeah, that's what's going on right now. So right now I'm just gonna be doing my nails. I'm just gonna go in order, so I have to add on the list to get my eyebrows done. But yeah, let's just get started with these nails because I'm blabbering. Okay, you guys, I got done with my nails. I didn't put no nail polish because I had gel polish on, and so the gel polish took forever to come off, and the time right now is like 12:12. So you can probably tell like how long it took, but I just like filed my nails down so I can check mark 2 nails. Since I'm already on the desk, I can use my Amazon order and then apply the screen protector on my iPad. I meant. I just have a few bubbles like right here, but I cannot take them out. I don't know why. Check off place screen protector. But yes, I'm just gonna be doing the rest tomorrow. My camera died as well, so that's why I'm using my sister's phone. But yeah, I'm just gonna be going to sleep now, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. So I'll see you in a second. It's the next day. It's 1:17 p.m. I kind of got a late. I've gotten a late start, so I'm not gonna be doing my toes or my eyebrows today. Probably, I don't know, like maybe eyebrows but not feet, because feet are not like really mandatory, but eyebrows, they kind of are. And my sister also told me that I got a package, so let's look downstairs and see that. I'm just watching football game. Okay, let's go. I'll come back. Let me go bring it. Is it big? Yeah. Do I need your help? Just kinda. Do you hate it when people open your package? Okay, this is a really major drastic transition, but I couldn't do the shades, and so I'm just gonna ask my dad for help. My dad wasn't home, so I'm just gonna ask him to install them later. And so I just dropped everything and came out. We got ready, and so we have to go to a couple of places, but right now we're at Michaela's house. to pick up the macaroons.
When's she coming outside? Are you shaking?
I don't know, yo.
Oh my god, she's here.
Ah! Okay, here's your stuff. Look at this.
Hello. Hello.
I'm vlogging.
My eyes just watering because of this thing.
I know.
Open it.
I wanna.
Be careful, I don't know where she's at.
Oh my god, Michaela.
What?
They look good.
Pretty.
You want one? You wanna eat one?
Huh?
You wanna eat one? You wanna eat one?
Bring them later. You can have it.
Okay.
I'll buy it next week.
Okay, I'm gonna take a picture and post on my story.
Oh my god, Christian.
Oh my gosh, why are you guys scaring us?
Oh,
Come over here.
I'm eating right now.
Oh.
Hi. I only had 2 hours of sleep because I was doing ecology homework. Not homework, but like lab assignments.
You have lab virtually?
Yeah.
Ew. Me too.
Yeah.
How's living at home?
More, I save more money.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But not freedom.
Yeah, while you're here.
Oh, Michaela gave me some macaroons, so I picked some up. Don't they
Oh.
look good? Don't they look good?
I don't know the time we're gonna hang out. I don't know. I'm just busy.
I know, you need to let me know. Hey, cheers. With Papa's phone.
Oh yeah, the iPhone 11. Yeah, the cloud. Yeah,
Exactly.
exactly.
Exactly. You know,
Wow.
you know, fun fact, Christian accidentally that time spit it on your phone.
But I wiped it with alcohol, okay?
You're not using my phone.
No.
No.
No, we disinfected it.
Bro, with what?
Disinfect.
Alcohol. I have alcohol with me all the time.
Oh.
I smell
Isopropyl
the
alcohol,
lies.
to be exact.
No, you're not using my phone.
Okay.
Okay, alright, bye. Okay, my dad and my brother installed this shade, and bro, well, let me tell you, I'm like, you know, like one special thing in your room that you really like, I would say it's the shades. So it's like Bluetooth, so you just go like that, and then yeah, I'm really excited. I invested in this because my shades, they weren't blackout shades. These ones are, and so I needed blackout shades just in general. So I was like, why not just invest into like a good one? And so yeah, I can schedule it too on my phone, And I don't know, I'm just excited, so that's why. I'm just going to be doing a few assignments. I'll show you guys change because I'm still in my clothes. And yeah, tomorrow I have class, so I'm just going to be doing some homework for that. The sad part is some of the stuff I haven't even checked off or haven't even done. So I haven't made this YouTube video, I haven't studied yet, which I'll probably do after I change and shower. So I have to update my planner as well. I'll probably just do that right now. So I did place my Amazon order at night because I wanted the thing to arrive on Monday, tomorrow, and it said it will. Okay, and I did get my eyebrows done, and so I guess we are kind of doing good. I don't want to overwhelm myself because I did do grocery shopping today as well, and that wasn't necessary, but that happened because, yeah. Okay, I just finished up my homework. I'm just going to be ending the vlog right here. It's 10:20 p.m. I'm just going to be taking a shower and call it a night. And I'll catch you guys in another video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, give this video a thumbs up and let me know what else you guys want to see. And yes, I'll catch you guys in a future video. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys soon. Bye.